The 2050-50 odor control system is an excellent solution to combat nuisance H2S odors in residential locations. Its elongated vertical design features a flange connection, making it easy to connect to any vertically mounted vent stack. All of our 2050 series are constructed from aluminum and are epoxy coated in a grass green finish so that it fits nicely into the surrounding environment. The outside of the system features two large air vents with welded screens to allow for maximum airflow of deodorized air. The lid comes standard with lockable latches to prevent tampering with the internal chamber of the system. Inside the 2050-50 features a media canister filled with 50 pounds or 23 kilograms of wager media. The media is an engineered product designed to chemically absorb the H2S gas and change it to a non-toxic compound. A free lab analysis is available after 1 year in service to determine the longevity of the media at the exact location the system was installed. It is important to size the system correctly to handle the amount of airflow and concentrations of H2S gas. The moisture content of the H2S gas exiting air relief valves and vent stacks is very high. In order for the wager media to be highly effective, it requires the gas to be as dry as possible. To solve this, we have incorporated a Misteliminator pad into all of our 2050 series. The moist gas is filtered through many layers inside the pad and separates it. The pad does not affect the airflow that will be treated. The residual moisture will drain out of the end connection. The dry air is now ready to begin its journey through the media chamber. Once the H2S molecules make contact with the media pellet, it sets off a chemical reaction called chemiabsorption. The canister is filled with 50 pounds of media, which is comprised of thousands of media pellets inside. The pellet shape allows for sufficient airflow to remain and boost the effectiveness of the removal rate. It is important to know the exiting airflow from the vent stack, because once the gas enters the media canister, it needs to be slow enough for the media to treat the gas before it exits the top of the media canister. This is called residence time. Deodorized air then exits the system through large vents incorporated into the lid of the system. Another important factor in odor control for vent stacks is the ability to allow fresh air into the system. All of our 2050 series feature air admittance valves. These one-way valves draw up to 300 CFM of fresh air each. The 2050-50 features 2 of these valves. Wager has made maintenance of all of our systems as easy as possible. When it's time to replace the media canister, simply swap out the old canister with a new one, already filled with wager media. There is no need for vacuuming or expensive chemical treatments. The old canister can be discarded. Wager recommends disposing the media in accordance to local state and federal guidelines. Wager Company is family-owned and operated for almost 90 years. All of our odor control systems are made from our headquarters in North Carolina. We take great pride in our products and are committed to exceptional customer service that you can depend on. Please see our full line of odor control systems and visit our website for more details.